Hi, I'm Solana with Advocates of Sacred. I just want to remind you to wear your mask. I want to remind you to wear your gloves. When you're out in public, stay 6 feet apart. I want to remind you, throw them away, wash your hands, and be home. I want to remind you that this COVID-19 pandemic is causing a lot of harm to our physiological, our emotional, our physical selves, maybe our spiritual selves. This COVID-19 pandemic might be endorsing strong emotions, emotions of fear, anxiety, stress, maybe grief, loss, anger, sadness, confusion. As human beings, we are emotional beings. We are emotional beings because we are mostly water. Our bodies are replicas of Mother Earth. Our bodies are mostly water, just like Mother Earth. Our bodies are mostly emotions because it's mostly water. The element that can help protect, preserve, and take care of our water is air. The evidence is all around you outside. The evidence is all over. Air is the only element that can manipulate water. Fire can't, earth can't, air can. When you blow on water, it moves. You can freeze it with your breath. You can become frozen in fear. You can become enraged and boiling mad. Your water can be boiling. Your water can be frozen. Your breath, your sacred breath, your birthright, your air is your best line of defense in protecting and preserving your water, your emotions. You can practice meditations. You can just practice breathing. In for 4, out for 6, in for 4, out for 7. Just practice breathing. Practice breathing because you're going to read something, you're going to see something, you're going to hear something that's going to cause a deeper frustration, a deeper sadness, a bigger pain. And all you're going to have in that moment is your breath. All you're going to have is an opportunity to breathe a deep breath. You can practice deep breathing. You can practice fire breathing. Fire breathing if you're angry, if you're mad, if there's a deeper pain there. Sometimes self-medicating. Fire breathing helps with that, and you fire breathe by taking a deep breath as deep as you can. And you fog up that mirror kind of breath. You fog up that mirror kind of breath with your fire breath. I encourage you to take care of yourselves with your breath. Take care of your emotions with your breath. Call your parents, call your family, call your friends. Remind them of their breath. Remind them, teach them how to fire breathe. You can do that over the phone. You can do it over video calling, over Zoom, over FaceTime. You can breathe together with your family, with your children. Call your elders. Show them how to fire breathe. I bet they already know how. Ask them for help. Ask them to help you practice. Just remember that you're mostly water. Just remember that air is the only element that can transform or manipulate your water. Thank you.